Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, gold dollar monthly, I still think this is very clearly a crescent to this move up, and I still think we're going to go up to at least a $2,200 area, and maybe even a lot higher than that. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, there's really no arguing the fact that this has made one, two, three waves down to a Fibonacci level, and it's been making a very, very impulsive move up. I think it's the end of a crescent, and I think it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, continuing the uptrend. Now, that doesn't mean there will not be some pullbacks on shorter time frames, but I am for sure going to primarily be looking for longs on these shorter time frames. Going down to the daily, I think it's very clear that's a downtrend. I think this is an A, B, C, D, E of wave B, like a contracting triangle. I think this is a wave C right here. Went a little bit past the 50, but I would definitely consider that respecting the 50%, and I would definitely consider that we are in an uptrend right now. Like I said, I'm sure at some point there will be some pullbacks, probably around these highs right here is where I'd expect to see a pullback, but I think it's probably going to be a 1, a 2, and then potentially go up for a big wave 3. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, boy, we definitely continued the uptrend yesterday, didn't we? This thing just keeps on trending. It definitely does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look to it now, so we could possibly be getting close to making a pullback, especially with these highs that we're approaching back here. But for me, I do think it is much better until we have confirmation with a break of structure to the downside. I think it's much better that we continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. Even though it looks like a wave 5, it very easily could just continue to make higher lows, just like it's been doing this whole way up. So let's keep going down to that 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, you could see, boy, it didn't make much of a crescent, did it? Even this crescent I was thinking was going to be an A, a B, and I was thinking we would get a move down like this for a C before we continued up. But like I always say, sometimes what we think is a wave B just ends up continuing the uptrend, and that's exactly what happened yesterday. I even said it in yesterday's gold video that that is a very likely possibility. Now, if it does go down and break structure, then that potentially could be the beginning of a bigger crescent, but it also may not even be that because it could just be a crescent to this wave right here, and it could just make another three waves down, another impulsive move up for another continuation of the uptrend. I for sure am primarily looking for longs on these shorter time frames until the market goes down and makes a significant break of structure, which at this point a significant break of structure would be this for me. Until that happens, I will definitely continue to look for longs at the end of ABC pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.